Welcome to Objective 46, Adding and Subtracting Polynomials. The key to adding polynomials is that we can only add like terms. And after we figure out what the like terms are, we add the number or numbers in front of the variables. So let's take a look at some examples. Look at number 1. 2x cubed minus x squared plus 4 plus x cubed plus 4x plus 6. So all we have to do is find the like terms. 2x cubed is like with x cubed. So we take 2x cubed, we add it to 1x cubed, and we get 3x cubed. Now we look at negative x squared. If we go through the line here, we see no other negative x squareds or positive x squareds. So there's no like terms with x squared. So we just write down minus x squared. We want to do this in descending order of degree. Remember we talked about degree. We have x cubed, x squared. So the next thing that we want to do are the x's. When we look at the x's, we have 4x. There's no other like terms with 4x, so we just write down plus 4x. After we get x to the first power, which is 4x, now we move on to the constants. 4 is like with 6, so 4 plus 6 is 10. And now you'll see our final answer is 3x cubed minus x squared plus 4x plus 10. And we're done. Look at number 2. X to the 5th minus 3x squared plus x plus negative 3x to the 5th plus 3x squared plus 4x. So again, identify the like term with x to the 5th. We have negative 3x to the 5th. So 1, remember there's a 1 in front of here. 1 plus negative 3 is negative 2x to the 5th. The next one we look at would be a fourth term, but there are no fourth powers. Then we would go to the third power for x. There aren't any. So now we get to the negative 3x squared. So now we're here. Negative 3x squared plus positive 3x squared. Negative 3 plus 3 is 0. And when we have a 0, we don't write the variable, so we're not going to write anything down. Moving on. We have plus x and plus 4x. So those are like terms. So we're going to add those together. Remember there's a 1 in front of the x. So 1 plus 4 is 5x. So that's not too bad. Let's go on to the next topic. Subtracting polynomials. Again, now subtracting polynomials is a little different. What we're going to do is we're going to distribute the minus sign causing the opposite signs causing the opposite signs in the second sorry about that, a little technical difficulties. So distributing the minus sign causing the opposite signs in the second parentheses. So we're going to go ahead and take some time, let you catch up, And I'm going to go ahead and scroll down to the other examples. So here's what we have. We have 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 4 minus the quantity x cubed plus 4x plus 6. But as I mentioned before, within its minus sign, we're going to distribute this negative. So think of it like a negative 1. So this is really going to become negative x cubed minus 4x minus 6. So we're going to take the original one, 2x cubed plus 7x squared plus 4. And now we're going to combine like terms. So 2x cubed minus x cubed. So 2x cubed minus x cubed are the like terms. So that gives me 1x cubed, and I don't write 1. 7x squared is not like with anything else. That's plus 7x squared. Over here, I have negative 4x. It's not like with anything else, so minus 4x. And then I have 4 and negative 6. So 4 minus 6 is negative 2. And that's my final answer. Again, look at number 4. We have a minus sign. So the key is we are subtracting polynomials. We're going to distribute the negative onto all of these. So that's minus 3x cubed minus x plus 3. So what you'll see is every sign that's in front of the trailing polynomial changes to the opposite. And once you get there, you basically just combine like terms. So I'm not even going to write down the first trinomial. I'm just going to go right into like terms. 4x cubed, which is right here, minus 3x cubed, which is right here, gives me 1x cubed. Then I'm going to go on to negative 4x. So negative 4x is like with negative 1x. So negative 4 minus 1 is going to be negative 5x. And the last one that I have to do is positive 1, positive 3. So 1 plus 3 is 4. That's my final answer, x cubed minus 5x plus 4. Number 5, last one. Little slightly different look because what I did is I put a subtraction sign in the middle and then I put a negative for the first term. But keep with the same idea. Distribute the negative onto all of the trailing polynomial. So that makes this plus a cubed minus a squared minus 12. Okay, so we start with the first term, a to the 4th. That is unlike anything else. So that's a to the 4th. Then we look at a third degree. Well, the third degree is right here. There's no other terms that have a 3. There's nothing over here that has a 3. So we can't use any of those. So we just write down plus a cubed. The next one we go to is a squared. Well, over here we have minus a squared. So 3a squared minus 1a squared would be 2a squared. And then the last one to do is we have 20. We have negative 12. 20 minus 12 is 8. So it's plus 8. So good luck with your in-class practice tomorrow, and we'll Have a good night.